Hey guys, welcome to Pizza Reviews. Today we're looking at the Samsung Tab A 8.4. This is the SMT307U version, which has the 32 gig, and it's also got the LTE as well built into it. So let's have a look inside the box. Dun, 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 dun. We got the actual tablet itself, packaged pretty well. Nice little pouch. Got the regular USB brick on it. Looks like just your standard brick, no fast charging or nothing here. Kind of a shame, especially for a tablet. Regular USB-C cord. Nice to include that. Then we got the SIM eject tool and a, let's see, looks like a quick start guide in French and English. So let's have a look at the tablet itself. Sealed up. So on the back of it, feels kind of cheap plastic. It's got a camera. On top we got the headphone jack and a microphone. On the left, on the right side, I guess, it's got the power button and the volume rocker. On the bottom we've got the two speakers and the USB-C. And on this side we've got the SIM slot and the micro SD as well. And I'll just take that out and see exactly what that looks like. So it's a dual side-by-side slot. It's kind of nice to see instead of one of the long ones. So yeah, and there's a front-facing camera as well. Front-facing camera on the very, very top here. Yeah, it's a pretty nice tablet. It is a budget-end device. So we'll have a quick review on it in another video. Thanks for watching.